Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog channel. I'm out of breath because I literally just ran up the stairs, but what is up? What's going on? I'm so out of breath. Currently at home. Ziggy's home today. I'm so excited. He's always so busy with work. His schedule is so like up and down. He's currently downstairs with NYLA. Whew. Guys, I got these flowers from Rosa for Mother's Day. This is actually for me and Shauna. It's so pretty though. Hi! Why are you looking like that? Hello? What the? You're so weird. What's up? What's up? Hi, Mama.
Yeah.
Hi. God, I just came downstairs. You couldn't just go on easy and chill, my girl. I was about to say, I actually got these flowers from Shauna Banana. Is here talking trades as per usual. We don't have much planned today. We're just chilling out. It's kind of cold outside, so can't really do anything. Can't even really and truly chill in the backyard. Because I mean, if I'm chilling in the backyard, I don't want to have a jacket on. I want to be comfortable. Man, I'm out of breath. Guys, I've been so short of breath lately. It's so crazy. Like, definitely asthma season for me. Because my asthma's been acting up bad. Say hi. You say hi? Hi. Want to show them your kitchen? Hmm?
No, GBPJPY.
So she got this little kitchen for her and Lyra.
Yes. Yes. I'll get a beat now for it.
Show them your pot.
Jumpy.
Ooh.
Yeah. Easy with this trade I'm missing.
Your voice, okay?
I'm going to go like $7. I make clothes is $7 and clothes is $1. And then me do what I say. You know,
can you put this in the oven?
Yeah, okay. The worst thing they ever do. Apologies, sir.
Yeah.
Hold on the way. Let me hear what my old lady I say.
Here.
Alright, no problem, buddy.
Wow.
I'm a can. Where's my granny? Yeah. Where's my mother?
Are you baking? Are you baking? Wow, you gotta put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Over here.
Grandma? Grandma? Yes, Grandma Polly? Oh, you're nothing.
You're putting it in the microwave. Uh-oh.
Polly!
Uh-oh. What happened? You giving daddy some? Nom nom nom. So just ordered some pizza, got some pineapple, pepperoni, and some mushrooms. And Ziggy doesn't eat pepperoni, so I had to get him some chicken, pineapple, and yeah, this is freshly hot. Like, I can see the steam. Oh cow. And I also got some spicy mango habanero. Oh my god, look at all the steam fogging up the camera. Spicy habanero chicken wings. Spicy habanero chicken wings. I also got some spicy habanero chicken wings.
Ready?
What happened?
Here.
Oh. Oh.
You know.
So, wait. That's rude. That's disrespectful. Breaking news. So guys, I'm about to go wash Ziggy's hair. I don't want to get copyrighted. Poison him. Poison him, why? Poison you, Ziggy. My throat. Why are you grinding your teeth? You're so crappy.
Sometimes I feel so low.
Ow. Okay, so you think you'll like mine then when they come? Okay, I want to pay you for these ones. How much you pay for them?
Your life is excellent. Come on, baby, let's go party. I'ma bring the bell to your round.
Ready?
Shoot him.
Oh shit. It's gonna be the same. It always comes on. Remember, it's ear blowing. Hot? Here, a little walk with NYLA. Hi! Hi! I brought her to the field, but she's not feeling the grass, I guess. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy! Flower? You see the flower? Oh, what's that? What's that? Flower? Flower, mama? Flower! What's that? Outside, it's slowly getting nice and warm outside, so I'm like, let me take her outside so she can be free and she's not just in the house. Clearly, we're just in the house. I'm thinking of getting her something for the backyard, but we'll see what happens. Hi. You like it? You like it? You like it? Yay! Your little boyfriend jeans. A little two boyfriend. Ah. Oh my lord. You swear you're big, eh? And we're back home. We're back home. Say hi. Hi. Yep, show them your mud head. Want some water? Pick it up. Thank you. I bought NYLA this little stroller because she's always pushing the boxes around, so I mean it only makes sense. Here. Oh my god. This is Lyra's dolly, but the dolly looks so scary. Like the eyes scare me. Whee! Why are you so intrigued with this thing? No, no. Okay, anyways, I'm about to go chill with her because I don't want her to fall again. Say ta-ta. Say ta-ta. Yeah, tell them bye.
I'm a tan. Right now, I sip some tea, some ginger. Oh shit, you know. So, one of the pan, like what the? Pitney, turn on back my light, man. See when NaturallClub get trouble. So, may I say, like wanna clock in on the video. Clock in on the video the other day and I like up the video. I not even get to check out the little comment them because it's show me busy on the work and thing. You see me? So what may I say is the likes them in the video, I like that, you know. I like how people can understand what may I say and enough people not take it the wrong way. So but for tonight I want to tell you what go on and work the other day. The whole point of this the other day I make a little talk about like racist and them thing there, you see me? And I can't be so I come and tell that I can experience them as a girl go tell lie pan we say with a steer pan her. Like I explained this and all, like you probably I say wow, like that girl is like, you know, but just be sure to say in a them place too, you have to be careful of them people here. You see me? I have to be careful of them people here. I drink some ginger tea and I go on easy back in the evening night here. You see me? Summer is here, you know, see there. I'm out here in like this and see there out the door. They are easy back. You see me? Yes man, so big up on yourself and just keep tuned to your thing. So as what I try to do, I try to see if I can vlog as much for video today so you can get to see what I'm going on. And we have a little story time video which out there, like so you can get for, you know, just a little video and nothing bougie or nothing at all. Just a little story time, like stuff happening in the past and nothing like boyfriend and girlfriend thing, just in general story time, you see me? So kind of have a little one shout out to make. I have like many really look up on it yet as I'm there, so I just there, so I mean just do a little shout out and shout out a couple of some of them on the thing them, you understand? And me actually appreciate this. So I have a little thing to tell you because this is the right time for you to start invest some money. And, you know, anything with me to share with people, you know, time for you to start invest some money, see if you can get some stocks and something, because you see what I go another world and what if things low. So if you can jump on some stocks and see if you can make some money. You see me? Yes man, just do it. So living the 876 life. Lord, me just love how Ziggy real. No fake to the thing. To him thing. What? No fake, I'm straightforward man. You see pre. But like when anything just like straight, no grow anything. Blessings God free. Jamaica would be a better place if enough you did have Ziggy mentality. And I can lend them some, you know. If they check me like I can just lend them somebody and go give me back. Stacey Mackenzie. Migrating as an adult is quite challenging. Definite culture shock. Just stay positive and good things will happen. For real man. You see me? So I may always try to stay positive as much as possible. Even when things get difficult some time, I still try see if I can just find some way and just grow on it. Yeah? Yes man, big up the Williams family as always. Yeah, understand. Yo, some of my people they make some more shout out on the thing, but I can't pronounce some of their name. People say name easy to pronounce, but I don't think name easy to pronounce. You know, Platinum Sweet, the Hard Man Flex different. Everything Ziggy say, and me that most Jamaican man is hardcore. Certain things just don't fit in with we. Me rather depend my ends with my friends. Yeah? Depend my ends with my friends. For real man. Friends them a smoke. Cook up some food. I say food and drink. You know? Well ND. And run joke, music. Free up. Yeah man, that's true man. Yes. C-Pre. Nicky Poo. When Ziggy speak for some reason you want to listen. Yeah man, yo, you see when me talk like legit stuff, you see me? Like things what I go through and I can explain back to somebody and tell them like say yo, that not right. You see me? I'm not gonna talk like negative things or things what go like things wanna put you nowhere. You see me? I'm rather talk straightforward thing and so. You see me? Yeah. Jay, I remember the arrival video. It was one of my all favorite times. More blessings. See you, man. Yeah. We just come out the ball for you call. The place you call, yo, we play call. Even now we play call. It's a freezer settings this, but I not make Nisha video too long. Cause you say you have a couple minutes already and you don't want it too long. So I talk as a kind of tell me say I talk too much. When I think I talk too much, I just talk legit. Yeah, man. So then I'm a day off, so I go and enjoy. I will say I can play 2 games and call a couple on my bad charge. See, I'm a 10. I'm out here. Loving it.